नमस्कार. आयच्या ब्रेकओवरात तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आणि राज्यपालाचे अभिभाषण जाले जे अर्दकुटी उरिल्ले फाटल्या एक दिसाच्या सेशनाक लागून आणि काँग्रेसीन ताजेर बहिष्कार घालो आणि ताजे उपरांतचे कामकाज जे आसा ते फक्त ऑबिच्युअरीज आशिल्ल्यो ताजेर भाशणां जाल्यान सोंपलें. पण राज्यपालाच्या अभिभाशणांतल्यान नेमकें कितें भायर सरलें कारण एक अपेक्षा आशिल्ली सगळ्यांची की सरकाराचो अजेंडा हो राज्यपालाच्या भाशणांतल्यान येवपाक जाय. तो आयलो काय कितें काय 2 दिसांनी आतां ह्या बजेटाची स्पीच आसतली ताका लागून सरकारान आपलो जाका आमी कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम म्हणटात आणि एक विजन डॉक्युमेंट म्हणटात तो बजेटा खातीर दवरला आणि थोडकी भितर राज्यपालांच्या भाशणाचो शिष्टाचार केला काय कितें हाजेर आमी भासाभास करतात. 2 मानेस्तां म्हणजे पयली आसात ते भाजपाचे फुडारी आणि आमदार मोहीनबाब गुदिनो, स्वागत तुमचे. आणि दुसरे आसात म्हणजे काल सावन आमचे बरोबर आसात ते काँग्रेसीचे आमदार आणि फुडारी अलेक्स बाब रेजिनाल्ड. वेलकम. तुम्ही बॉयकॉट केलें. अल्टिमेटली गव्हर्नर हे फक्त एक व्यक्ती न्ही, इट इज नॉट अ पर्सन, इट्स अ पोझिशन, इट्स अन इन्स्टिट्यूशन. कित्याक बॉयकॉट केलें आणि विधानसभा हो तुमगेलो तो राग काडपाचो योग्य जागो काय कितें?
खंयचो राग काडपाचो
तो तुमकां सरकार करपाक आपयला म्हणून तुमी आरोप करता.
ना वी हॅव गॉट आमगेल इट्स अवर रायट. काँग्रेस पार्टीन डिसिजन घेयलें की वेन वी वेंट टू द गव्हर्नरान कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल इम्प्रॉपरायटी केली की जेन्ना आमी तेका गेले ती म्हणाले आय हॅव कॉन्टॅक्टेड अरुण जेटली म्हणून सांगलें. So now she can't say that. She had to either go to the AG or she had to go to the Solicitor General of India. Or she could have gone to the President to ask for advice, not Arun Jaitley. Now, based on that, it shows that she was biased and she didn't allow us to form the government. Now, on all war fronts, आमगेले सगळे हा की आमी we were the single largest party and we should have been given the chance first, irrespective of what. First, she should have called us, and she should have, when we could not form it, then she could have formed it. And a government with a minority, that is only 13 members, have been elected or rather are sitting on the ruling treasury benches. So we have done our job and we have done it well. We have not done it how the BJP does it at the center and all, how they used to do it. Disrupt karo, pani kit karo, akhe housa bithar sab na. We have done it very decently. We have put our objections and we have come out. Finished. That's it.
You feel this is right? Constitution as a norm आणि अल्टिमेटली गव्हर्नराचे अभिभाषण थंय विरोधी पक्षान गव्हर्नर एज अ पर्सन क्रिटिसाइज करून ताजेर बहिष्कार घालप. And I think leader of opposition did not even go to welcome the governor.
Yes, and we have even asked for her. We have even demanded that she should be recalled.
She should be recalled. Okay.
Yes.
How
I think first of all, the fundamental principle is democracy runs on majority. Majority, it simply means numbers. Being single largest party itself is not enough to form the government. And even if they were the single largest party, the first thing that should have happened essentially is at least they should have immediately rushed to the governor, put their claim forward. Yes, we are the single largest party. We are in talks with our allies. We are mustering the numbers. No such thing was there. In fact, it is a known fact all over Goa that they were busy in fighting who will be the leader, who will be the chief minister in essence. So since they were busy fighting, naturally whatever little confidence perhaps that was there in the other smaller parties whose members got elected, that confidence dissipated. Once that confidence fully dissipated, they said what type of government these people can give when they cannot decide their own leader. Naturally, they looked elsewhere and they saw that the best thing is to support the BJP. And that was with a rider. And the rider was that if Mr. Manohar Parrikar comes back as the leader in Goa, as the chief minister, as the next chief minister, then they would be willing to support. Who would not support such a proposition? You first failed to choose your leader for one full day.
It is unfair to blame the governor.
It is totally unfair to blame the governor because she went as per established procedure. There are certain norms that are followed. There are certain conventions which are to be followed. When physically before the Congress can even make a claim, when the leader of the BJP party musters support and walks in with not only a list, physical presence of the members, I don't think the governor had any alternative whatsoever to take a alternate decision.
I
It is
object-
totally
I
No,
object to that.
yeah.
I object to it. I'll come point by point.
Hय.
First, I want to tell him that irrespective of our fighting, Vijay had promised us that he would support, and he even said that you nominate a certain chief minister. This is one part. Anyway, let's not go to intricacies. Now, what is important is the government, the whole state voted against the BJP government. At least that Manohar Parrikar should have understood. UP, they didn't even select the CM even 3 days back. What was the hurry in forming the government? CM candidate, if my honorable colleague says that we are fighting, even in Goa they had to borrow a candidate. Based on his statement, he said that if Manohar Parrikar is made the CM, that means nobody capable, Movin Godino, who contested on the BJP, my friend, he was not capable enough to take the charge of the CM. Why Manohar Parrikar was brought in? Even they had a problem. Forget about all that. Let me tell you that this government was a minority government. The whole of Goa voted against it. Even the allies got elected against the BJP. They spoke against the BJP and got elected. Now I want to tell them that under all fairness, they have formed it. They have done whatever they were supposed to do. They have done. the governor has done constitutional impropriety. Even then, I think it is all fairness. All this, they also had a problem. So it doesn't mean that we have a
No,
problem,
Alex,
and that could be
Okay,
an
Alex-
advantage for them to form the
Alex,
government.
okay.
No.
There are 2 points here.
Yeah.
जो ताणी मुद्दो काढला that मुद्दो इज व्हेरी क्लियर
Yes.
की तुम्ही वचून क्लेम स्टेक करपाक जाय आशिल्ली तुम्ही लेट झाले आणि जेन्ना कोणी तरी दुसऱ्यान क्लेम स्टेक केली आणि थंय फिजिकली एमएलए सोडून परेड केले लेटर ऑफ सपोर्ट दाखयले यू कॅनॉट ब्लेम द गव्हर्नर
दुसरो कितें चॉईस आसा
You cannot blame the governor.
आणि दुसरे
That is the point.
माझे म्हणणे इतले आसा
हय.
बरे तुमचे कडेन नंबर सुद्धा नासले जाल्यार एज द सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी डिड यू गिव अ लेटर टू द गव्हर्नर डिड युअर लीडर बिकॉज यू हॅड नो लीडर सो नोबडी न्यू हू विल मार्च फॉरवर्ड अँड put a claim that I am the single largest party, therefore you have to take a very considered decision. अशें तरी म्हणलेले जाल्यार इल्लेशे तरी गव्हर्नराक ब्लेम करपा जाताले. तुम्ही गव्हर्नराक कशें ब्लेम करपा शकता? तुम्ही सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी जाला म्हूण सुद्धा एक लेटर एक पत्र सुद्धा तुम्ही धाडून
वन मिनिट एक ताजो दुसरो मुद्दो जो आसा की दिस मॅन्डेट वॉज एंटी बीजेपी हीज पॉइंट इज आमी आमगेले डिसायड करताले 24 वरां भितर बीजेपी शुड नॉट हॅव हरीड to form the government because mandate was clearly anti-BJP, although it was not considerably
Only two
pro-Congress.
governments are formed there. Manipur and Goa
Yeah,
was formed
hold on.
fast.
Yeah.
There are two essential points here
Okay.
which I want to make.
Okay.
Number one,
Right.
it was a fractured mandate. In a fractured mandate, nobody gets
I object.
majority.
I object.
Wait,
You
why-
may-
let him finish. Let him
You
finish.
may be the single largest party, and you did not get a safe 21. That is a simple majority. You did not get 21 seats to stake your claim. Neither there was somebody very enthusiastic about supporting you to cobble up the numbers.
Okay.
If you say in a democracy, people voted against the BJP for having got 13 seats, there is another essential in democracy. The number of votes polled. If you consider the number of votes polled, there are candidates who won by even narrow margins, and for that matter, if you look at some of the numbers by which the votes polled are much more. Now, this government which has been formed with two more parties, that is Maharashtrawadi Gomantak Party, Goa Forward Party and the independents, if you that way combine all their votes, it's more than 51%, 51.5%. So if you go according to democracy, more than 51.5%
very
people
interesting.
cast
All
their
these are
votes
expressed.
for
Okay.
all these people.
Alex,
One second. He has to do so much of explaining because he has
No,
done
Alex,
something wrong.
Alex. Simple thing. तांचो पॉइंट असा की अल्टिमेटली नंबर्स आर इम्पॉर्टंट
Yeah.
अल्टिमेटली द सुप्रीम टेस्ट इज द फ्लोर टेस्ट
Yes.
ओके युअर पार्टी लॉस्ट द फ्लोर टेस्ट इवन आफ्टर लुजिंग द फ्लोर टेस्ट इज इट फेअर टू ब्लेम द गव्हर्नर बिकॉज अँड सेकंडली ते म्हणतात की नो अलायन्स पार्टनर और नो स्मॉलर पार्टीज वर रेडी टू सपोर्ट काँग्रेस अँड यू आर नॉट गिविंग देम दॅट काइंड ऑफ अ कॉन्फिडन्स व्हाय ब्लेम गव्हर्नर
Governor has said that she consulted Arun Jaitley. What more you want? member of the BJP party and a minister. So what more you want? It starts from there. The influence, the power, the position and the money comes from there.
Even the fragile number of
Everything
17
comes from there.
in a fractured mandate was proved beyond doubt that 17 is not your number. On the very first day, one of your member resigned. You have gone down to 16, and there are reports that even some more people want to resign. That means your numbers will not even stand at 16 after given little more time, which simply means that you were not even able to hold your flock together of 17. So this fractured mandate had more fractures within. So when you have more fractures within, what type of government,
No,
even
one
if
second,
you
one
had,
second.
if you had
No, I
tried to
object.
form,
Yeah.
See,
what type
fractured
of government you would have formed?
Fractured mandate आणि कितें म्हणून लोकांचे pressure gun. Once you form the government, you break away somebody. That is not a solution. That doesn't because somebody just left out, because somebody is doing bad, it doesn't make you good. Please remember, just because one fellow is coming down doesn't give you authority to say that
Okay,
I fight
okay,
like
okay,
fire.
I'll come to that.
I will ask him a very
Yeah.
simple question.
All right.
If the governor had taken a wrong decision, if he had the numbers, then on the floor of the house, when the majority was proved, you would have had a second chance to prove your majority on the floor of the house. The very same people who came with us, maybe they marched to the governor, they gave a letter. On the floor of the house, many governments have collapsed, many governments, alternate governments have been formed over
Okay.
over number
Ah,
of
yeah,
years.
yeah.
The
So
positions they have been given are, my friend who went to the from the Congress to the BJP, even he was not given minister before. They have been given before. Why they will come this side?
ओके आय कम टू दॅट आय कम टू
Very
कॅबिनेट
simple.
ओके एक ताजो जो पॉयंट आहा तो म्हळ्यार मॉरॅलिटीचो वन इज द कॉन्स्टिट्युशनॅलिटी ऑफ द होल आर्ग्युमेंट वेर फ्लोर टेस्ट इज द सुप्रीम ते आनीक आर्ग्युमेंट आसपाक शकना दुसरो पॉयंट आसा की मॉरॅलिटीचो दॅट बीजेपी शुड हॅव एक्सेप्टेड मॉरली दॅट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हू कॅम्पेन अगेन्स्ट अस वन इन दिस इलेक्शन सो दिस इज नॉट असो अवर मॅन्डेट लेट काँग्रेस ट्राय फर्स्ट इफ दे फेल देन वी विल ट्राय व्हाय रश फॉरवर्ड BJP should not. That is the argument he's putting for that BJP should have done that,
Where-
and even governor should have told BJP to do that.
See,
UP
wait,
government,
wait.
Manipur and two governments, they did it fast. The other governments is slow.
Okay, yeah.
See,
The moral argument of it.
the moral argument
Yes.
is simply this. You can ultimately, as I said earlier, it is a game of numbers. You cannot sit tight and wait that yes, I am the single largest party, I have to be invited, then I will try to invite the other people who have actually already made up their mind to go to the other side. And that is why they came this side. Now as far as morality is concerned, ultimately it is a functional democracy. Things have to function. And for purposes of having a functional government, an efficient government, you need the numbers. And if somebody from the opposition, even having got elected, taking a diametrically opposite position to that of ours and having garnered votes, if they find it prudent to come to us and offer support, am I doing charity? I am running a political party. My aim is to muster the numbers and form the government, and that is exactly what I have done. So why should I be grudged on grounds of morality?
So
And I want to mention here, just after the results were announced, and we got 13 and Congress got 17, yet you had the largest number of crowds in front of the BJP office. You had the largest number of crowds coming to meet us, somehow from the government, as if it was there in the eyes of the people to see, as if to say that we might have done a mistake voting against you, but we still want a BJP government
Okay.
to
I'll go to
continue
that.
with the
I'll go to
development
that.
that took place in the last 5 years.
एक issue
No, I
असा-
just want to bring a point.
Yeah.
So my friend Movin is endorsing whatever Manohar Parrikar did. Means now he has Vishwajit, one of our members who has gone there, has not gone there without meeting Manohar Parrikar. He has been promised something, that's why he went that side. So all whatever Manohar Parrikar has done, he's endorsing.
I would,
So-
I would like to correct you. Manohar Parrikar has not met him, neither he has met him. It is not on public record. If you are telling me a secret on this show, it is a different matter. He is clearly on record having said he is frustrated that in spite of getting 17 seats, Congress was not able to form the government or even move little bit forward because of the
Okay.
infighting.
Well,
I think
looks
it's-
like,
I think
Alex,
it's
Alex,
very
I'll endorse-
clear.
Okay, I will go by 1 second. I will go by what he says.
Yeah.
I will go by what we said.
Yeah.
That's why 2 ministers are kept and others are
No, no.
unfit
Maka,
there and
Maka,
kept
Maka,
to the
Maka,
side.
Alex, Babu, एक गजाल सांग. I want to ask
Yeah.
this question to both of you
Yeah.
because you have raised serious questions on the role of the governor today.
Yes, yes.
तुमचोय गव्हर्नर आशिल्लो तेन्ना तुमच्याय गव्हर्नरान मनोहर पर्रीकराचेर सरकार डिसमीस केल्लें आहा. रातीन 12 सुद्धा शपथविधी जाल्ले आमी पळयल्यात. सो वॉट इज दीस फायनली एक तुम्ही म्हळे की इज द फंक्शनल डेमोक्रेसी अँड अल्टिमेटली इज द फर्स्ट गव्हर्नर इज द फर्स्ट सिटीजन ऑफ द स्टेट. अशा परिस्थिती भितर जाचे केंद्रात सरकार असता ताचो गव्हर्नर आणि जाचे गव्हर्नर असता ताच्या इच्छे प्रमाणे आणि ताच्या केंद्रातल्या आवय बापाय प्रमाणे हांगा जाय ते करपाचे कम वॉट मे बी द पब्लीक अँड पिपल्स मॅन्डेट. इतल्या वाईट गजालीची आमी पळयला. इट इज बीन डन बाय युअर गव्हर्नमेंट ऑल्सो. टुडे यू आर एक्युजिंग दियर गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ डुईंग इट. हॅव वी रिड्युस्ड अवर डेमोक्रेसी टू दॅट पेटी लेवल?
It is understood. आज पड गव्हर्नमेंट फॉर्म जाला बीजेपीचो ते दॅट इज एव्हिडंट. द मॅन्डेट वॉज क्लियर. एव्हरीबडी आय टेल यू
केंद्रात तुमची सरकार आशिल्लें तुमी तेच करता आशिल्ले.
सी आमी कितें करता आसले ते आमी आतां सद्या केलें ना न्ही. सो दे हॅव बीन कॉट.
हाजे पयलीं केलें न्ही.
आतां पयलीं केलें. आय वॉज नॉट पार्ट
No,
ऑफ
no,
इट.
I want to
Okay.
I was
recollect.
not part of it.
I want to recollect and also.
No, you agree. Mohit, very,
No, no,
because
no,
you are a
I
very
want to
senior
recollect.
member of the
Yeah, yeah,
house. You are a very senior member of the
Because I am
house.
senior, I
Yeah.
want to recollect
Yeah.
and also state to him that in the last election when we were reduced to single digits, that is 9, you know what was the refrain when we were sitting when the results were coming? It was a matter of strategy. Every congressman sitting there or MLA who got elected, they were praying and hoping against hope. Minimum amka 13 tori medla puro. I don't know why that figure 13. If we get 13, we will form the government.
Come what may.
Come what may.
Sir.
So they were waiting for 13. But for our bad luck that time and for their bad luck now, it was only 9. So that is the whole story.
No, but you
so
agree-
this has happened in the
But
past.
Mohin Bab, you
One second.
agree that governor office, which is a very highest prestigious office, आज ते पॉलिटिकली इतल्या सकल्ले लेवलाचे व्हरून आमी दवरना. ते मागीर फाल्यां तुमची गव्हर्नमेंट आसूं केंद्रात किंवा तांची गव्हर्नमेंट आसूं, गव्हर्नर हॅज बिकम अ पपेट इन द हँड्स ऑफ द सेंटर. यू एग्री ऑन दॅट? आउट बिकॉज ऑफ युअर वाईड एक्सपिरियन्स आय एम आस्किंग यू.
If you recollect certain past events, as you yourself said, even at midnight, governments have been sworn in. I remember on a Good Friday, the government of Dr. Wilfred D'Souza was dismissed, and the subsequent swearing in was there. If you recollect those events, then you are right in saying that perhaps the office of the governor has been misused. But in this instant case, I don't think there is fundamentally anything wrong. Ultimately, it is a game of numbers in a democratic setup. Even before they could march or even give a letter, or even before they could whisper in the ears of the governor that yes, we are in a position to form government, here was the Bharatiya Janata Party passing a resolution, submitting with the resolution that if Mr. Manohar Parrikar is the leader, we are prepared to support the BJP to form the government. So we had
I
the
am
clear
happy.
numbers.
One second, I'm happy. 1 minute, I'm
See,
happy.
so where is the-
Let me put- he has made
where
some-
is the question?
I need to answer him.
Yeah.
So he calls himself party with a difference म्हणटा आनी काय ना, same party.
Why?
हेच जालें ना, तो एविडन्स
So तुम्ही करता ते करतात.
ना ना
आणि ते करता ते तुम्ही करता.
ना ना ना
हं?
आम्ही करता ते कोण ना म्हणा. तो म्हणटा कितें जालो आहा ते सदां जालो
No,
आहा
no.
तो म्हणटा.
बाबा, point is very simple.
सेकंड आनी गोस तो म्हणटा लोक येताय आनी आमकां गव्हर्नमेंट फॉर्म कर म्हणटाय. लोक येवपाक तेंगे ऑफिसांत आनी गव्हर्नमेंट फॉर्म करपाक रिजल्ट कळ्ळे न्ही. आनी 13 आनी 17 आनी आमी म्हणटात कितें लोक रावताले तेदो फॉर्म करपाक ऑल दोज आर एबरमेंट्स.
No, Alex point was,
Yeah.
point is very simple.
Amit
हाजे
Shah-
पयलीं
one
हाजे
second.
पयलीं
हय.
जेन्ना a particular political party had numbers,
Yeah.
then governors have played a spoil sport and they have paid, they have used their office to manipulate the mandate is one aspect of it. तांचो मुद्दो असा की ह्या हातू भितर numbers were not manipulated. Here were the numbers and that those numbers were asked to be
I want to
sworn in.
tell you one more thing. I will tell you
Okay.
one more thing.
Yeah.
Amit Shah statement केला 2 दीस पयलीं आमी गव्हर्नमेंट फॉर्म कोत्ताय म्हणून.
He made a statement on the same evening.
Setting आहा कितें I don't know. I'm just saying. Why he made that
Why
statement?
are you not realizing one very fundamental
Yeah.
thing? The base of the whole thing is that you just did not have the numbers. You might have been the single largest party, number one.
You can say
Number
it
two.
only if we were given a chance. You can say this only if you were given a chance and we didn't succeed, then you could say it.
बरं
You given a chance,
You
people-
could have, you could have grudged the governor
No,
of
no, no,
not
no, I
having
am grudging
given
the
you-
governor.
Wait.
No. You could have been grudging the governor for not giving you a chance. Even a simple letter saying that you are single largest party.
Give me a chance.
And give me a chance.
Okay.
No,
Did you
no,
approach
no,
the
no,
governor?
Alex,
The
दूसरा-
duty
wait,
of the
wait,
governor
wait,
is
wait,
very
wait.
No,
simple.
it
There
nowhere
have been
says
there have been
our
Alex,
precedences.
one
There have been
constitution-
the second-
there have
our
been
constitution
precedences. No, one
is
second.
very clear.
48 hours देखो जाओ नहीं.
No,
48
Alex,
hours
It is
देखो
a
जाओ
game
नहीं.
of numbers.
Alex,
तीन चार दीस चालले is a
it is the
different.
majority
No,
which
no,
matters.
no, no.
नवीन बाब तांचा अनेक मुद्दा आसा तो म्हणटा की इवन इफ यू हॅड द नंबर्स ही इज सेइंग यू डिड नॉट हॅव द लीडर तुम्ही तांचेकडे लीडर ना म्हणटा न्ही इवन यू डिड नॉट
Didn't
हॅव
have
द
a
लीडर
leader.
इज द आर्ग्युमेंट
No.
इवन यू हॅड टू
No,
गेट
how
द लीडर
is-
फ्रॉम
no,
आउटसाइड
no,
Yeah?
no, he's
You
not
brought
from
a leader from outside.
Okay, wait,
How
let
can
him-
you
let him
start-
get, yeah.
how can you call him a leader from outside?
Of course,
who
of
has
course.
been previously a chief
No,
minister
no,
three
no,
times?
no. He's not got elected.
Who against his wish had to be moved to Delhi for a very big task, which he performed, I think, in an excellent manner in Delhi. So much so that he's, if at all,
Yeah, and Ule Naga.
if
Take
at
it
all,
over.
I'll come to
no,
you.
if at all you talk, if at all you talk, that leader was imported. It was there for everybody to see. When this leader went to Delhi, there was a void, and that's the reason why we came down to 13. And people just wanted, don't forget, people wanted this void to be breached, and this democratically under the constitution without violating any principles of democratic functioning. But BJP was able to do it. We were able to do
I
it.
will-
Why? Because we had the
I
numbers.
will
So
put
you
it to
should
you.
not just
Okay.
grudge us.
I
How
will
do
put it
you
to you. I
react?
will
Yeah.
put it to you when he went to as a defense
Is there?
minister.
Is there? Are
One
there?
second.
No. One thing.
He went
Are
there.
there no other cases where leaders have been
There are
brought
number
to
of
a
cases.
central minister?
There are number of cases.
In so many states.
There are number of cases even
in the
in the
case
Congress.
of Congress
One second.
party.
Yeah, there are number of
how
cases.
many times it has happened?
There are number of cases even in case of Congress, but Alex, you wanted
One
to
second.
respond. Yeah.
Second thing, I want to only tell you one thing. Manor Parrikar, when he went to Delhi, he made a statement. I will untie those knots in the defense ministry. Then not on to Guspan Puttun Elo. He went all the way there. To Guspan Port Elo. I will one second.
He should not have come back. He should not have come back.
One second.
We are not-
What is your point?
One
We are
second.
not
My point is very simple.
That way I will
One
tell
second.
you,
One second.
he has saved
I will give you.
lakhs of
I will
crores
give you.
of
I will
rupees
give you.
of
Let him
defense
complete.
I
Let him
will
complete.
give
Let
you
him
one
complete.
second.
Yeah.
Let me-
This is
one second.
Yeah.
One second.
What is
One
the
second.
point? Alex,
One
what is the
second.
point? Yeah.
No, one second. I will
Commitment
tell you
to the
one
nation.
second. One second. I will
Even
tell you.
the Honorable
One second.
Prime Minister is on
See,
the-
one
one
second.
second.
You were
He's
given
a
a chance to
jewel.
speak.
He
You
said
were
he's
given
a
a
jewel.
chance to speak.
Yeah, let him
You were
let him
given a
speak.
chance to
Yeah.
speak. Let me
Okay.
speak.
Okay.
Now, what I want to tell you
What
that
is the point?
point is very simple. You don't have a majority. People have not voted for you. Mandate has not been given to you. At that time, why Manor Parrikar had to come? Whatever may be the circumstances.
Neither mandate was given to you.
Because they could not manage it, they
With
brought him
17
here.
you can't call it a
none of these
mandate.
fellows were fit enough to take that chair.
My dear
One
friend,
second. One more thing.
Rajnival,
One more thing.
17 is not a mandate.
One more thing.
21
Did
is a
you give
mandate.
Did you give a letter in UP to show that you were forming a government? Second, let
Why?
us
In UP,
one second.
we
one
had
second.
more than 2/3
Why?
majority.
Forget to this. Did you
There
give a
is
letter?
no
More than
need.
three,
Nobody
four
has
Did you
given
give a
votes.
letter?
Okay.
No, but did you give a letter?
There is no
Alex,
need.
Alex.
No, no. See,
When you have a two-thirds
when you
majority,
know- one second.
when you have
See.
a two-third majority,
See,
there is
see,
no
see, see.
need.
I'm asking you.
Nobody
Yes,
else
correct.
I'm
can
asking you.
aspire.
I'm asking
Nobody
you.
else
Alex,
can
Alex,
aspire
I'm asking
even
you.
Alex,
to
what is your
become
point?
governor.
When there is no mandate to the BJP, Manohar Parrikar should not have come back.
Neither they had a mandate.
See,
Neither
one
they
second,
had a
one
mandate.
second.
17 is
If
not a
Manor-
mandate.
Yesterday I have said, if Manor Parrikar wanted to
In
come
a house
back,
of
he should have
40,
come when the-
17 is not a
when the
mandate.
party had full majority.
It is as
21,
fractured
more than
as
21. That
getting
time he
13.
could come, not when he is low. When the BJP party's the public opinion is less, you come at that time to increase opinion. What?
Okay. He says that
And
if
by
Manohar
the
Parrikar-
way, even he
No,
is not
Alex,
from
Alex.
the BJP
No,
cadre
Alex,
to
Alex.
come today and
Alex,
defend
no,
the
he
BJP.
is- no, he's
From the
saying that
Congress,
if
he has gone to
Manohar-
the BJP.
If Manohar Parrikar wanted to come, he should have come, contested the election. There was no requirement for him to resign there. He should have contested and party should have contested under his leadership, and then you would have gone.
I think his love for Goa and Goans and his contribution is far beyond doubt. And he has proved it. And you all have made so many comments on that.
He has
when
not
he used
left-
to come every weekend or whenever he used to find little time, he was here in Goa. So what is wrong in everybody wanting him and he choosing to come back if
I am telling you-
against his own wish perhaps to serve the people of Goa.
I want to tell
Okay.
you that
Your
he came to Goa.
elected
He
representatives
was in Goa for the elections.
of two local parties, whether Maharashtra the Gomantak party or Goa Forward, they said only if Manohar Parrikar comes back to Goa as chief minister, we are in a position to
It's
support
part of
this
the
government.
strategy of Amit
So
Shah.
why do
Part
you-
of the strategy
why do
of
you
Amit
grudge
Shah.
the BJP?
All this
Why
is
do you
setting from
grudge
top
the
to top.
BJP for this?
ओके दुसरी गजाल जी आसा ती आयची गव्हर्नराची स्पीच जातून भितरल्यान देर इज नॉट अ बिग रिव्हिलेशन एक्सेप्ट मे बी वन क्लियर इंडिकेशन दॅट द कूळ मुंडकार एक्ट विल बी अमेंडेड वेदर इट विल गो बॅक टू इट्स ओरिजिनल फॉर्म इट हॅज नॉट बीन स्पेसिफाईड अदरवायज त्या स्पिचा भितर अशें स्पेक्टेक्युलरली पॉलिसीज स्पेल आउट करपी कांयच ना नॉर्मल रिपोर्ट कार्ड कशें आसा तें आता प्रश्न येता तो कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्रामाचो डू यू फील अलेक्स ऑल दीज पार्टीज टुगेदर वूड बी एबल टू गिव अ सस्टेनेबल कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम
आज म्हाका दिसता हांव थोडो टीव्ही चोयतालो भायर रावन तेन्ना चीफ मिनिस्टर वयता तेन्ना MOIचेरय कोट्टा एकूच इश्यूचेर कोट्टालें कितले डिस्पॅरिटी आहा ते कितले लोक एक्सप्लेन करूं पडटे सो आय फील सी वी आर सी गवर्नमेंट हॅज जस्ट टेकन लेट अस नॉट टॉक नाव ओनली लेट अस गिव देम अ चान्स टू सी वी आर ऑफ द ओपिनियन दॅट वी आर ऑपोजिशन whatever they have done, they have put us in the opposition, no problem. We will fight, we will take up the position as the opposition. We will position ourselves.
Okay.
Let them perform.
ओके
Come on.
फायनल गजाला कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम असली परिस्थिती भितर जंय वेगवेगळ्या विचारसरणीचे लोक त्या अलायन्सा भितर आसात कितली डिफिकल्ट गजाल आणि आज ती गव्हर्नराच्या स्पिचा भितर कित्याक रिफ्लेक्ट जालना
गव्हर्नर स्पीच तरी वाचली एक तरी तितून आमी मान्य करपाक जाय की गेल्या ते 5 वर्सां जे लोकां एक भिरांत कशी पडलेली परत तरी बीजेपी येना जाल्यार व्हडले जे प्रोजेक्ट हातीन घेयला ती थर्ड ब्रिज म्हण नाका मंडोवी आमगे जुवारी ब्रिज म्हण नाका गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट म्हण नाका सगळे कडेन रस्त्याचे रुंदीकरण म्हण नाका हायवे ब्रॉडन जाता ते म्हण नाका सोशल सेक्युरिटी स्कीम म्हण नाका जे पयशे नासतना बीजेपी सरकारान लोकांक दिले लोकांक विचारान पडलेले लोक चिंतीत आसले की बाबा हे पयशे हुंयचे येतले हे आमकां कंटिन्यू करपाक मेळटले काय ना
ते एश्युरन्स
आता हे गव्हर्नराचे एड्रेस तरी वाचल्यार एक आमकां म्हायती मेळटा ह्यो सगल्यो स्कीम कंटिन्यू उरतल्यो डेव्हलपमेंट व्हडले प्रमाणान चालू उरतले जर सुरवात बीजेपीन केल्ले आनी वयल्यान जाय जाल्यार नवीन एक दिशा मेळटली कित्याक चिंतप अशें सगळ्यांचे जाल्ले आसा आनी बीजेपी तेका सहमत आसा गोंयकार आनी गोंयकारां आमी सांबाळपा जाय आनी गोंयकारपण आमी सांबाळपा जाय
So the whole
आनी
common
जे मुद्दो व्हडले प्रमाणान नॉट दॅट बीजेपी एवर वेंट अगेन्स्ट गोंयकारपण नॉट दॅट बीजेपी एवर वेंट अगेन्स्ट एनी गोंयकार पूण जे मुद्दे तेणी रेज केल्ले गोंयकारां नांवान आनी गोंयकारपण सांबाळपा जाय गोंयकारां सांबाळपा जाय
That will be the
एक आज व्हडलो संदेश गेला गव्हर्नर एड्रेसानसून की हेजो सांबाळ करपाकूच आमी सगळे जाण एकठांय येयल्ले आसा
Okay.
एक बरे कारणाक लागून सगळे एक जावन बरो सरकार
हांव
दिवन गोंयचे बरे राज
time is
करपाक
over.
आमी बरोबर येयल्ले आसा होच संदेश आहा
क्विकली
परिवर्तन आहा तें गोंयकारपण जालें परिवर्तन फेल जालें म्हणपाक पडलें
ओके परिवर्तन टू गोंयकारपण ही जर्नी म्हणटा तू फाटल्या 5 वर्सांतली.
परिवर्तन मीन्स अल्टिमेट मंत्र
परिवर्तन failed. तेका लागून mandate मेळना.
इन्क्लुसिव्ह
Mandate मेळना, परिवर्तनाक mandate मेळना. आज गोंयकारपणाचो ह्या, that's the problem.
ओके, हांव- म्हाका
गोंयकारपणाचो ह्या.
मुगे टाइम सारको सोंपला म्हाका दिसता खूब बरी डिबेट जाल्या आणि एव्हरी पॉइंट आज गव्हर्नराचो रोल धरून ती गव्हर्नराची स्पीच मेरेन डिबेट जाला डिस्कस जाला तुम्ही दोघी जाण आयले म्हाका दिसता खूब बरी तरेन दोन्ही पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यूज आज गोंयकारां मुखार गेले इतली बरी विशयी मतां मांडली थँक्स अ लॉट पवित्रावत प्रोडक्ट नमस्कार
बरें करूं